The original Range Rover debuted back in 1970 as a two-door SUV, lasting 26 years before it was finally replaced. In fact, the four-door Range Rover didn't debut until the early 80s, though it quickly became the most popular model. To celebrate both Land Rover's 70th anniversary and the two-door design of the original Range Rover, the British automaker is bringing back a two-door full-size SUV called the Range Rover SV Coupe for a limited run of 999 units. Though we saw spy shots of this a few days ago, all we have now is a teaser image of the SV Coupe's interior. From the front seats forward, it looks like a regular Range Rover with the new infotainment screen from the Velar. The rear seats look to be the same as the front, though done in a contrasting blue color. There's even a full-size center console and controls for the climate system. It's difficult to tell from this angle, but it looks like the legroom remains generous for those in the back. Each model will be hand-built at Land Rover's SV Technical Centre in the UK. The Special Vehicle Operations team is the same one behind the Range Rover SV Autobiography, Range Rover Sport SVR, Jaguar's SV Project 8 and F-Type SVR. No other details have been given, but expect some flavor of Jaguar Land Rover's supercharged 5.0-litre V8 and a sport-tuned suspension. Look for full details and more images when the Range Rover SV Coupe makes its debut at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show.